Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can earn free credits in Pippit AI. So if you're running out low on credits but have so many more ideas to generate, we've all been there, and Pippit AI is amazing, but those credits can go fast when you are on a roll. And in today's video, I'm going to show you all the official ways to stack up your balance without spending a single dime. So in here, what you need to do, here you can just open Pippit AI, and on the homepage you'll see the options to earn credits. So in here you can complete tasks to earn credits, as credits are needed for using advanced features. You can just complete the following tasks to get more credits. So there are lots of tasks that you can do. Let's say install Pippit desktop app, or visit Pippit's mobile web versions, or you can also turn on the push notifications, link your email, download or export a video, publish content, invite a friend, and sync products. So in here, I'm going to just install the Pippit desktop app. For example, you can just click on go, click on install, click on install again, and now the task is completed. Now you can just claim your credits. Click on claim, and that's it. You get free credits, and you can create more on Pippit AI. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want to create something amazing, you can join me to use the Pippit AI. You can click on the link down below that I'm going to put on the descriptions. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. And I'll see you on the next one.